Hi Weber fans, my name is Steven and today I'll be walking through a cook program on the Weber Connect. I'm very excited as I've never grilled a rib roast before and I'll get to show you how the Weber Connect walks you through every step of the way.
To get started, open up the Weber Connect app and select the Rib Roast Cook program. Select your desired pro port and then this takes us to an overview of the prep steps to complete before beginning our cook. This is where the app is super informative for difficult cuts of meat if you don't have experience preparing or grilling them. The Weber Connect is advising me to set my grill up for indirect cooking at 325 to 350 degrees, which I've done by placing charcoal on the far sides of the kettle. I've set up an ambient probe to help monitor the grate temperature and will also refer to the lid thermometer as another touch point. The grill is preheating and I will now begin preparing the rib roast per the app's instructions. You will see the step-by-step instructions provided in the app on the left-hand side of the video while I execute the steps on the right-hand side. Each prep step has a video associated with it to ensure you have all the detail you need to deliver a perfect result. We've completed all the prep steps and now it is time to start grilling. This brings us to a queue of events to complete for a successful cook. Insert a probe into the meat to monitor the internal temperature. This helps make sure that you cook your rib roast to the doneness level you selected at the beginning of the cook. Next, you will place the rib roast on the grill and can monitor your cook from the Weber Connect Hub app.
We followed all the steps in the cook program and now we have an ETA of about 2 hours of cooking time. I've got my Weber Connect Hub linked up to my home Wi-Fi system, which means I can go anywhere and remotely monitor my grill and my cook. So now it's time to sit back, relax, and have a beer.
Our 2 hours is almost up and it's time to peek under the lid. Wow, this roast is looking incredible and I can't wait to dig in with the fam. Big thanks to the Weber Connect Hub for walking me through each step of preparing and roasting this intimidating cut of meat. I never would have had the confidence to pull this off without it.
I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thanks for following along. Now it's time to go eat.